In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare Firewall rules. To get started, sign into your Cloudflare account and head over to your list of domains. Once you're there, choose the specific domain you want to apply this to. Make sure you select the correct website because any firewall rule you create here will affect traffic for that domain. After opening the domain, go to the Security section. This area contains a range of tools designed to help protect your website from unwanted traffic, suspicious activity, and other common threats. Inside Security, look for Security Rules. This is where you can manage the behavior of incoming visitors based on conditions you define. Once you're on the Security Rules page, click the Create Rule button in the top right corner. This is where you'll begin setting up a new firewall rule. Cloudflare allows you to create rules based on different criteria, such as IP address, country, request path, user agent, and more. The exact options you choose will depend on what you're trying to block, allow, challenge, or monitor. Next, select the rule type that best fits your goal, and then enter the rule details. As you fill this out, be as specific as possible. For example, if you're trying to stop malicious traffic without affecting normal visitors, carefully define the condition so the rule only targets the traffic you actually want to control. Then choose the action you want Cloudflare to take when the conditions are met. Depending on the available options in your account, this could include allowing the request, blocking it, issuing a managed challenge, or applying another security response. Before saving, take a moment to review everything. A small mistake in the rule settings can accidentally block legitimate users or interfere with normal site activity. If you're managing a live website, it's a good idea to double-check the domain, the condition, and the action before confirming the rule. Once everything looks correct, save or deploy the rule, and that's it. Your new Cloudflare Firewall rule will begin helping manage traffic based on the settings you created. That's all there is to it. As you get more comfortable with security rules, you can create more refined protections for different situations and improve your site's overall security without making the process overly complicated.